Today we're gonna make fudgy brownies with almond flour. Let's prepare 150 grams butter, 170 grams chocolate chips, 100 grams almond flour, 150 grams sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, 130 grams chocolate chips, 50 grams nuts, line greaseproof paper on a baking tray, crack eggs into a bowl, mix eggs with sugar until it just combines for about 1 minute and don't overmix it. And just put it aside. Put hot water into a pot. Turn on the stove. And melt the butter over the hot water. Add in 170 gram chocolate chips. Make sure not overheat the mixture. Even it's not completely melted, just remove from the heat and keep stirring it until chocolate and butter are melted. Add vanilla extract into eggs and sugar mixture. Preheat oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Pour in eggs mixture into chocolate mixture. Do not overmix it until it's combined. Now we add in almond flour. Be gentle when you're folding the almond flour in. Oops, almost forgot the salt. Fold in 130 grams chocolate chips. And nuts as well. Now we place it on the baking tray. It's time to go into the oven now. Bake for 35 minutes. It's nearly done. Just check if it's cooked or not using a toothpick. It's still soft in the middle, but it will set soon as it's cooled down. Thank you for watching. Bon appetit!